Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SalesMate CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, have you sent an email from your SalesMate CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to send emails directly from your SalesMate CRM? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business dealing with a lot of different leads or contacts, it can be time consuming to switch between two different programs. So with SalesMate, you can send emails directly from your CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SalesMate CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SalesMate CRM, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know, in order for this to work, you had to have already connected your email to your SalesMate CRM. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that process in detail. So assuming you've already connected your email, there's actually a few different ways that you can send an email from your SalesMate CRM. The first and easiest way is you want to click on the person icon here on the left. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your contacts in SalesMate. So just look for the person you want to send an email to. For example, this person right here. Just click on the box next to their name. Once you do that, you can go ahead and click on email up here on the top left. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get the compose email box down here. So you can go ahead and just start typing away. So that's the first way. The second way is you can actually email more than one person at the same time. So for example, we want to email this person and also this person. We're going to check the boxes next to their name and just do the same thing. Click on email. Okay, and here we have the same box. And then you can see there's two contacts that we're going to be emailing. So let me close this down. Okay, so now if we want to individually email person by person, you can just click on their name. Okay, so once you click on their name, it's going to open up their contact details. And then to send them an email off to the left here, just click on the little envelope. And as you see, it just opens up this compose email. So let me close this down. Okay, and the last way that you can send an email from your SalesMate CRM is off to the left here. Click on this little envelope. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you to your inbox. And then you can click on this blue compose button. Okay, once you do that, as you can see, it's going to open up the compose email. So you can go ahead and type in the to subject and then type in your email. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to send an email directly from your SalesMate CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.